Watch for some wintry weather, most definitely wet roads out there this morning. That's our view from the Distillery District. There's snow falling in locations, but this is a lot of what folks are dealing with here. You can see that shine on the roads. This is way out in Payne Gap in Letcher County. You've had some precipitation over the weekend that's primarily been in the form of rain, but this morning as we drop down close to freezing, we get some of these wraparound snow showers popping. It's exactly what we're seeing, snow, especially in our eastern counties. So especially if you're along and east of I-75 in our eastern Kentucky counties and at higher elevations, that's where your better chance for some minor to light accumulation could even occur. Much lower as you head back to the west. But still, we've got this moisture streaming through, low pressure running up the east coast there. And you could pick up a couple tenths of an inch. If you'd see it at all, it would likely be on the grass, elevated surfaces. A lot of us are hovering right near or just above freezing this morning. So really the biggest issue for you would be the potential for some slick and possibly hazardous travel conditions. Here's the future track. That moisture rapidly winds down later on today. Those clouds will be harder to get rid of. We'll break those up into the afternoon, end up mostly cloudy and then partly cloudy overnight. And then here comes the next round. This one's coming in from Texas, so the Lone Star State, low pressure developing and running north. Quite a bit of moisture spreading in by Tuesday night. After a mostly sunny afternoon tomorrow, we'll have clouds thickening up by late in the day. Rain's on the rise. There'll be a narrow window into Wednesday morning where we could have mixed precipitation. Some rain and snow, possibly even a little bit in the way of some icing there. I think it's a pretty slim chance to see that for very long. Mainly what we'll be dealing with is cold rain with highs in the 40s. And then there's going to be a band of heavy accumulating snow. One sign there's a winter storm watch up already. And it runs from western Ohio, pretty much mirroring where that band of heavy snow is expected. So, of course, here's Kentucky, and there's the projected snowfall from right where that watch starts, running all the way down into parts of Oklahoma there. So another situation where that storm track can, really just a shift north or south change that overall focus. But I think for right now, it's going to stay just across the river and out of here. As far as snow lovers go, another miss for us. It's freezing in Mount Sterling and Richmond. It's 34 in Lexington. We've held on to that 34-degree temperature for a while now. And forecast highs into the afternoon, especially once we break the sun out through those clouds by late in the day, could hit near 40-degree highs back towards Taylorsville and Bardstown, upper 30s in Lexington, showing mid-30s in our eastern counties. The clouds will be slower to go, so 35 in Moorhead, 35 in West Liberty. You pop down into the mountains, our southeastern mountain counties, it's about the same. Mid-30s in Hindman, 35 in Whitesburg, and some upper 30s way down in Pineville and Barberville. And then back to the west, slightly warmer, near 40-degree highs. Some of our southern Lakes region counties. You get down around Somerset, Jamestown, down towards Whitley City as well. So the 8-day has some ups and downs. Tomorrow is the up. The sun's back out and we're in the mid-40s. Remember, our normal high is 42, so we're not warming up that much. And then that rain kicks in overnight into Wednesday morning. We could have a morning mix, so we'll have to watch that Wednesday morning commute. As we get closer, we'll be able to get a better handle on how that's going to play out. But primarily, we're looking at cold rain. Scattered rain showers, windy Wednesday, highs in the upper 40s. Could be some lingering snow showers with highs back in the 30s by Thursday.